Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2017 Ram 1500 SLT quad cab. Under the hood we have a 5.7 liter V8 Hemi and an 8-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in bright white, looks great. You do have your chrome accenting on your grille there, as well as your halogen headlights and your fog lights down there with your chrome bumper. Coming around the side here, we do have Bridgestone brand tires with the 20-inch rims there. You do also have your heated exterior mirrors as well as your running boards along the bottom. Coming around to the back, we got the 6-foot box back here. You got the 4x4 badging with the SLT, as well as your dual exhaust pipes and your chrome bumper. Open this guy up. Looks great back here. Lots of room. You also have the spray and box liner, so things won't be getting scratched up. Okay, we have our keys here, 2 press to unlock, 1 press to lock, and 2 presses to activate our remote start. Especially nice in the winter, get it nice and warm for us, or in the summer, get it nice and cool for us. Now, let's unlock and let's take a look on the inside. So on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all right here. This guy does bring in your mirrors. You have a little bit of chrome accenting on the handle. Handle here, some storage, and some more down here with a place for a water bottle. Looks great in here, very comfortable seats as well. You do have the control over the seats, so backward and forward, as well as the tilt and the lumbar support there. And up here we do have the control over the lights, so our auto, our off, our daytime running lights, and our low beams, as well as the fog lights if you press them in, and your in-cabin light control there. Up here we do have the control over the turning signals, windshield wipers, and high beams. Okay, let's start up here. Key in the ignition, and we're good to go. Now right in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. We also have our battery life and our oil there. Now we can switch that around a little bit to we have our speedometer. We can switch it around to our vehicle info, fuel economy, trip A, trip B. You also have your audio, your stored messages, screen setup, and then back to your speedometer. You do also only have 2,000 kilometers on this guy, not very many at all. You also have the controls to that right here with your voice recognition, your call out button for your Bluetooth, horn in the center, and your cruise control options right there. Around the back of the steering wheel, you got a volume up and down with the source changer. There is a channel changer on the other side. Right in the center, we do have an 8.4-inch touchscreen display with Uconnect, so you do have your AM, your FM, and your Sirius XM, as well as your media devices there if you have one hooked up through USB, aux cord, or Bluetooth. You got your controls over your heated seats and heated steering wheel. You also have your Uconnect apps right there. Your climate control, it is a dual climate system for you and your passengers, so you can have different levels of hot or cold. You can turn the menu off right there, and you do also have your phone options right there if you have one hooked up through Bluetooth. Right down here we do have the control over our gears, so you just put your foot on the brake and turn it. And then down here we do have our controls over the 2-wheel, 4-wheel low, and 4-wheel lock. And then right over here we do have our controls over our volume up and down with the mute, screen off, hazard lights, back button, and then your tuner and browser over there. AC, circulation, heat up and down, power, off, auto. And then you do have your front and rear defrost, as well as you do have your traction control and your tow and haul with your heated seats and steering wheel there. Open that guy up, got some storage in there. In the center you do have your 3 cup holders with your armrest that doubles as a storage container. Lots of room in here, looks great. You do also have an aux cord and a USB plug-in just over there. Close that guy up, lift this up, and you got another seat under there. It does seat 6 people altogether. Plus you can pull this guy up, and there's a little bit of extra storage just underneath there. You got your top layer for your glove box and your bottom layer right there with your owner's manual inside of it. Plus up top you do have your universal garage door opener and your little window in the back control. Okay, let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. On the door you have that same chrome accenting, control of your windows, and a handle here. Looks great back here, lots of room. You do have 3 seats. You can fold these guys up and you got some storage just underneath there. As well, you can fold this down and you do have a flat surface to put stuff on top of. You can do the same with the other side, and you do have some cup holders right over there. And there's our 5.7 liter V8 Hemi. Well, that does it for my walk around view of the 2017 Ram 1500 SLT. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.